Hi guys, this is Khalid Ahmed from Millennium Immigration Canada. I brought another video for you guys, and that is Regional Immigration Pilot Program 2020. In this program, this program has no set of criteria for the pilot project. If you qualifying any of the ONP employer job offer streams, you know, which are foreign worker stream, international student stream, and in-demand skill stream. Just qualify any one of these streams and get full-time and permanent job offer from three participating communities: Chatham, Kent, Bennyville, and Cornwall, and then you are good to go. This project is consisted of 2 years. It started in 2020 and end up in 2022. It is further extendable. Approximately, ONP will nominate 150 applicants in this under the employer job offer stream. You and your family has to reside in one of these participating communities, and then you keep working there. Then you will get your permanent residence quickly. How to apply for this stream? First of all, you have to fill up intake form. That form you can download. I have given the link there to download in the PDF format. If you don't have PDF format, then I have given you the PDF format download link there. Just click there and download your PDF, and then you can download this file into the PDF format easily. And then you will be asked different questions regarding employer, regarding your job, regarding yourself in the intake application form, and then you have to email that form to regionalimmigration@ontario.ca. And after verifying all this information, ONP will further ask you to apply for the employer job stream. So the further detail about the programs you can find in my video. Please keep watching and subscribe my channel. Hello guys, this is Khalid Ahmed from Millennium Immigration Canada. Today I brought another program for you guys, which is called Regional Immigration Pilot Program. This program actually supporting the employer job offer stream, and it has no separate set of criteria for itself. So what you have to do, you have to get a job offer for the full-time job, and from these three communities. I will show you the communities later on, and then you are good to go. So this is a 2 years pilot project, from 2020 to 2022, and it will nominate approximately 150 nominees under the employee job offer category. What you have to do, you have to just settle down and reside in one of these three municipal communities, who are participating under this regional immigration pilot project. Meet one of the requirements under employer's job offer streams below. These are the three streams under employer job offer. The NOC is C or D. They can apply. C or D will require English language proficiency 4.0. If you want to go in detail about this video, I have made this video and uploaded on YouTube in my channel, which is called Millennium Immigration Canada. Just click it here, and then you just click it here, and you will get a lot of minimum requirements. If you guys qualify or you meet the minimum requirements, any one of these three streams, then you are good to go for the pilot projects. The second one is foreign worker streams. 0 ABC no people, they can apply, and this is the link here in the YouTube. Just click it and you will go in the detail of the video. Third one is international student streams. 0 ABC no people are able to apply for this stream. Click a link here, just click and go and read the detail and mandatory requirements to apply for this regional immigration pilot project. How to participate in this regional project? You just have to fill up this intake form. It has some detailed information it will ask you from. Just click this form, and you see here, this is a link here. Just click I don't know in my computer PDF or not, but it is in PDF format. If you don't have PDF in your computer, just go down here and download the free Adobe Acrobat Reader, and then you can open this file there, and it has a lot of requirements about your employer, about your job, and then you have to fill up completely this form and send this form by email to regionalimmigration@ontario.ca. Okay, these are the important things here. The job, you must have to get job offer through these three participating communities. One is Chatham-Kent, the second one is Cornwall, or third one is the second one is Quinte West, and third one is Belleville. If you get an employment job offer in one of these three communities, and that must be full-time and permanent job offer, then you are good to go to apply for in this regional pilot project. Yeah, these are the participating communities here: Chatham-Kent, cities of Belleville and Quinte West, and city of Cornwall. How to get job offer from these communities? You just click like Chatham-Kent, for example. And here you see work. Just to go to employment, and you go to employer profile, and there is a community job board. This is the page where you want, and in this page you can get your job offer from Chatham-Kent community. You see, if you click here, you see the job title, company, community, and closing date of the job. You just can click any of the job here. See, general labor, personal support worker, registered nurse, and registered practical nurse. If you click that, it will show you is that practical full-time permanent job or no. If that is permanent job, then and if you get the job offer from this employer, then you are good to go for the regional pilot project. In the pilot project, you will get your permanent residence quickly. So you see here another one, Service Canada Job Bank. You can, if you don't find your job in this link here, then you go to this link. If you don't find here, then you can go to indeed.ca. Then you can go to workforpolicy.ca and Charity Village. These are the 5-6 links here for the job, and just go one by one, and definitely you will get your job, and then apply for that job through their website or through their emails. And then if you get the job offer, which will be full-time and permanent, then you are good to go for the regional pilot immigration program. And the same way, cities of Belleville and Quinte West, if you click there, you will go for the job site. This is city of Cornwall, so you can explore by clicking that. Before you apply for any Canadian immigration program, guys, you have to you must have to have your IELTS result for the English, or the second one is CELPIP. Any one of them you can have a result, and that is mandatory things. Or for the French language, you need TCF Canada or TEF Canada. Any one of them. Either you take IELTS or CELPIP, TCF Canada or TEF Canada. And second document is your educational credential assessment, ECA report, which is very important. To get more clear understanding about ECA report, please click the link below. This is a link here. I have made a full complete video in detail. Okay, it will make you understand fully about this topic, how to make your educational credential assessment. Yeah, the distance from Toronto to Chatham-Kent, Ontario. This is Toronto. This is Chatham-Kent, Ontario, which is one of the communities. So the total distance is 271.28 kilometers. Toronto to Belleville, which is total distance is 155.60 kilometers. It's not very far. And this is the distance between Toronto to Cornwall. So it's almost 399.57 kilometers, means 248.28 miles distance. This is the farthest one. But guys, keep in mind these are the 3 communities. They will participate in the regional pilot program, and the OINP will see the shortage of the labor skills in this area. They can fulfill these shortage from the foreign workers and international students and in-demand skills people. This is a good opportunity. You guys can live permanently in the most populated province of Canada, which is called Ontario.